showing you a 2016 John Deere 6130R tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Tractor comes with a 620R quick attach front end loader. Has 130 horsepower. Tractor is just under 400 hours. It's in absolutely excellent condition. It's loaded with options. Comes with the extended John Deere warranty, which runs into 2021. Has the GreenStar Ready package as well as the AutoTrac Ready package. It's got the global quick connect here for your bucket connection. It's got the heavy duty bucket with the silage grapple ears on it. Bucket does not look like it's seen any use. Got the front grill guard and the weight carrier on it. Paint's in absolutely excellent condition. Beacon warning light, mirrors, corner post exhaust. Firestone radial tires on it, they're in good shape. It's got the multi-coupler here in the center, corner exhaust again. Panoramic doors, entry doors on both sides with the steps, rack and pinion axles. And again, Firestone radial tires, 18.438s in the back here. It's got the buttons and for the 3-point and PTO on both rear fenders, rear fender extensions, rear work lights, rear wiper, triple rear hydraulic plug-ins, 540 and 1000 PTO, telescopic 3-point arms. The list just keeps on going. This tractor is loaded with all kinds of options. It's got the toolbox, it's got the front fenders. These front fenders are the breakaway fenders, so they'll spring away rather than break for you. Inside the cab, looks like new in here. It's got the air ride seat here for the operator. Buddy seats, nice and padded for a passenger. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. It's got the 24-speed auto quad transmission. You got 6 ranges and a 4-speed power shift in each range. You can shift that power shift with the buttons here on the range lever, on the joystick lever for your loader, or the toggle right here, which is really nice. So you got 3 spots wherever your hand may be. It's got the hand throttle right here within easy reach, touch screen, command center, triple rear hydraulic levers there to the right, as well as all your light switches, command center buttons, 4-wheel drive, radio controls, everything over there to the right that you could possibly need. Also has the 3-point controller as well as your auto steer buttons here. Multi power outlets over there to the right. Radio with XM and Bluetooth capabilities. It's got the visibility roof there. We got the screen shut right now, but that opens up so you can see what's happening when you've got the loader raised. As you can see, this tractor looks like brand new. Tractor's priced to sell, and again comes with the extended warranty. We do offer trucking and financing. We also take trades. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.